Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Google Merchant Center images to match brand visuals, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Start by logging into your Google Merchant Center account. Navigate to the Products section in the left-hand menu.
Select all products to view your current listings. Identify the products with images that do not align with your brand visuals. Click on the product title to open the product details page. Locate the product image section to view the current image.
Take note of the recommended image specifications from Google.
Prepare your new images to ensure they meet these guidelines.
Use high-quality images that represent your product accurately.
Ensure the images are visually consistent with your brand identity.
Upload the new images by clicking on the existing image or the Upload button. Choose the new image file from your device and click Open.
Wait for the upload to complete and check for any error messages.
Once uploaded, review the new image in the product details.
Click Save to update the product with the new image.
Repeat these steps for each product that needs image updates.
After making all changes, navigate back to the Products section. Review your listings to ensure all images now match your brand visuals.
Monitor your account for any disapprovals or issues after the updates. This process will enhance your product visibility and reinforce your brand presence.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current.
If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection.
Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.